Right, so I've actually taken a day off work today in order to get this moved, but they've phoned me earlier this morning to say that the crane has actually broken down, of all things. So they're going to have to do it on Saturday instead, which in a way has actually turned out quite good, because I just tried to move this, just kind of shunt it a little bit into place, and it's very, very heavy, and I kind of intended to do it with the bobcat and drag it out, but I think what I'm going to do is just quickly make some little wheels just to help it, because otherwise I think it's going to be really awkward. So I've got these wheels left over from 1.5 ton, what do you call it, like a crane thing, like a engine hoist. I'm just going to put these on here. I'm not going to go to a lot of trouble with this. I'm just going to cobble these on. Hey! Woo!
Claustrophobic about them going there.
That's it. That's as much as I can do. Let's go with Oldby shipping now. Let's go. Thank you, matey.
Thanks a lot.
Cheers. Cheers. So that's it. It's gone. Look how much room I've got. It's amazing. I didn't use my little wheels in the end. I didn't need them. Just dragged it out on the floor. It was easier than I thought it was going to be, actually. So, we'll get on with the next project. So I've got a quote from a UK company to sort of do some of the basics of a new pressure hull design that I've come up with. And that was fairly reasonable, so I've got to get the design finished. I need to do the FEA analysis on the design, which I'm working on at the moment, so it's going to be a few weeks before I can get something finalised and ordered, but it is coming, and get this space filled up and get on with the new project. I hope my dad's not watching this, because if he sees this amount of space here, he'll wheel in some crappy old car and fill it up.